Hey, what's up, Michael? I just got off the phone with Naomi. My name is Devin. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm going to talk to you really quickly because I spoke to Naomi and she said you guys have tried doing a website a couple times and didn't really have success. I did some research in your area and I wanted to show you how easy it would be to make a really effective website and how easy it would be to make that website bring you a ton of customers. So what I'm going to do is show you how to beat Arnold Air, because if you type in AC Repair Sebastian FL, there's a bunch of these different directories, but the first actual business that shows up is right here, Arnold Air, and I'm going to show you how to beat them. And if you just do a little bit better than them, it's really easy to take this top spot and this top spot here. So to hop right into it, and you're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you. I just educate business owners because most business owners are so busy running their business, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. So I just give away free attack plans to help people out. And some people do this stuff themselves, but some people go, hey, I don't have the time to do this. Can you just do it for me? Whatever you want to do with this information is cool with me. I'm just trying to educate you and help you out in any way I can. So, first off, to make a website, it's really easy. I would go to like Weebly.com or something like that. Or Wix. There's a ton of free ways to make websites. That's a starting point. You can even do it through Google. Just type in Weebly and make a site. But moving past that, if you want to beat Arnold Air, first thing you need to beat them on is content. So when you make your website, you need to have more content, which is all this stuff that you can read. Now, Google likes to see about 2,000 words. And if I go and look at the word counter, these guys only have 480 words. So by putting a website up there with 2,000 words on it, you're already going to blow them out of the water with that. One more quick thing is you want to put keywords inside of that content. A keyword, it's just a phrase that somebody like commonly types in Google to find your business. So a really good one would be AC Repair Sebastian FL. When you're making your content, just put that in there a couple times. You can also save that as your images. That'll help you rank too. So that's my first tip. Now, after you beat them with content, you're going to have to beat them with something called backlinks. A backlink is just a website, or it's just when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is really important. Google's kind of like a popularity contest, so they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for your company, but they want to see relevant links. So they're going to give you a ton more money or a ton more power if you have other HVAC companies linking to you instead of having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called AHrefs. It's a paid tool. You don't have to use it. All this data I'm showing you on this video today, you can find it for free. Just type in like backlink checker on Google or keyword planner. You can find all that stuff. It says that Arnold Air currently has 62 websites linking to them. So all you need to do is beat that. And the easiest way to start is by copying them, because if these links are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. So you visit all these websites that are linking towards Arnold Air, and you put a link on each website back to your website. Most of the time, all you have to do is create a profile and just put a link in your profile to your homepage. Or maybe you have to click contact us and like email the owner or something like that. But whatever they had to do, you're going to have to do too. And by following just those two tips, that's how you beat them organically down here. If you want to be number one in the ads, you just bid higher than your competitors. And if you want to be number one right here, this is where the most traffic goes. And you can see Arnold Air is actually number one here. To be number one in the Google My Business section of the local map pack ranking, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory, and a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, stuff like that. I would figure out what directories Arnold Air Conditioning was in. I'd put myself in those exact same ones and then add a bunch more on top. If they were in 150 directories, I'd put myself in 300. And that is all I've got for you, Michael. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I like your truck, by the way. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, when you build your website, you're going to want to put 2,000 words on it to beat Arnold Air Conditioning. You're also going to want to get more websites linking to you than Arnold Air, and I would just start with copying them and then just go copy some other competitors until you have more. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Arnold Air, and that's how you take this number one spot on the map. If you follow these three tips, Michael, this is how you become number one across the entire front page of Google. You might be asking, what do I do now? I recommend you get started on this as soon as possible, only because it will take some time to implement all this. But the sooner you get started, the sooner you rank number one, which is when you start getting a ton of phone calls, which is the big goal at the end of the day. If you have any questions whatsoever, or if you are just too busy running your business and you want someone else to do this stuff for you, feel free to give me a call at any time. I put my phone number right here at the bottom right. I'd be glad to answer any questions you may have and guide you in the right way in any way I can. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, Michael. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to your feedback.